Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by assessing contractions. Time one, then the next, note length and interval. Once you have a pattern, call your birthing place and tell them arrival timing because they need to prepare. Make sure the hospital bag and essentials are within reach. Hand her water and light carbs to keep energy up. Check the route and parking, confirm the car is ready, and keep the phone charged. These first moves reduce stress and let her focus on breathing and staying calm. You should alternate hands-on comfort and coaching. Start with rhythmic back counterpressure during contractions because it eases pain and helps baby descend. Once done with pressure, suggest position changes, upright or side-lying, and encourage walking if allowed since movement progresses labor. Make sure to check in about pain relief wishes and timing for an epidural, and communicate allergies and birth preferences to staff. Keep instructions simple. You stay focused as the pushing phase begins. Coach her breathing rhythm and encourage short pushes when the provider asks, because coordinated effort reduces tearing risk. Once baby crowns, support perineum if requested, then be ready for immediate postpartum steps. Wrap baby in a warm blanket, aim for skin-to-skin, and support delayed cord clamping if desired. If something goes wrong, heavy bleeding, pale or blue baby, or no breathing, alert staff at once and follow instructions. Staying composed helps the team act quickly and effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.